That is fantastic news and a great example of why cold chain integrity matters so much with dairy. It is reassuring to see that when handled properly, both packaging formats meet safety standards. Based on the recent updates and community discussions, here is a summary of where things stand. The latest lab results, Eureka Labs, safety confirmation. The latest retest conducted through Eureka Labs confirmed that both the Amul Masti Dahi pouch and the cup are within FSSAI microbiological limits for coliforms, yeast, and mold. Handling matters. This retest highlights those earlier failures, where the pouch reportedly showed high microbial counts, were likely due to temperature abuse or poor handling during transportation rather than a factory defect. Nutritional accuracy. Previous tests by platforms like Trashified already showed that the macronutrients, protein, fat, SNF, in both versions were accurate to their labels. Context on the controversy initial report. An earlier independent test claimed the pouch variant failed hygiene limits, with some reports citing coliform levels significantly above FSSAI standards. Amul's response. Amul officially refuted the negative claims, clarifying that Dahi is a live product and its safety depends heavily on maintaining a temperature of 4 degrees Celsius or below throughout the supply chain. Price versus quality. While the cup is roughly 40% more expensive, Amul maintains the curd is identical and the price difference is purely for the sturdier packaging, which naturally offers better protection against temperature fluctuations. Since you are open to suggestions, would you like to see a comparison test of Amul versus other major brands like Mother Dairy or Milky Mist to see if they maintain the same consistency across their pouch and cup variants? Follow-up tests from Eureka Labs on Amul Dahi, both pouch and cup, show that, when maintaining a proper cold chain, both products are within FSSAI limits for coliforms, yeast, and mold. This indicates the products are safe to consume, addressing previous concerns where a pouch sample reportedly failed microbiological tests. Test results. Both the 35 Indian rupees pouch and 50 Indian rupees cup passed the latest safety tests. Context. While an earlier independent test highlighted issues with the pouch, this retest confirms safety. Recommendation. No immediate need for concern regarding the safety of Amul Dahi based on these new findings. Yes, Amul Real Health products, which are typically milk and malt-based drink mixes, are considered safe for consumption. Amul is a reputable brand that adheres to stringent quality and hygiene standards set by Indian food regulators, FSSAI, and international bodies. Product safety and quality. Amul products undergo robust processing and quality control measures to ensure safety, pasteurization, and UHT treatment. The milk used in Amul products is pasteurized or subjected to ultra-high temperature, UHT, treatment, which kills all pathogens and bacteria, making the product safe for direct consumption without boiling. Quality certifications. Amul's manufacturing plants are ISO 22000 Food Safety Management and ISO 9001 Quality Management certified, and their products meet FSSAI requirements. No harmful additives. According to Amul, their products do not contain added water, powder, or harmful preservatives/chemicals. They use plant-based emulsifiers in products like ice cream, as certified by third parties and indicated by the vegetarian logo on packaging. Hygiene and packaging. Products are processed and packed in state-of-the-art, hygienic facilities. UHT products use multi-layered Tetra Paks which are tamper-evident and prevent contamination. Consumer concerns and clarifications. While generally safe, some consumer concerns and issues have been reported. Handling and storage issues. Some consumer complaints, e.g., about spoiled milk or curd, were often attributed to improper handling, storage, or breaks in the cold chain after the product left the factory and before consumption. Misinformation. Amul has actively refuted viral claims and videos on social media alleging product quality failures, clarifying that their products meet all quality standards when handled correctly. Anecdotal incidents. Isolated incidents of finding foreign particles or having adverse reactions have been reported in online forums, but these are generally considered anecdotal and not representative of the brand's overall quality control. Amul products are generally considered safe and high quality due to strict industrial processing, quality certifications, and compliance with FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, standards. While they are considered one of the better options in India, recent, largely independent. Social media-driven tests have raised some concerns about specific batches and products, like Dahi/curd, regarding storage-induced bacterial contamination. Amul has consistently maintained that its Dahi products are safe for consumption and adhere to all regulatory standards set by the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI. The company has clarified that quality concerns raised in some viral social media videos were due to the product being a live product containing healthy bacteria and likely a result of improper handling or storage conditions outside of their control after dispatch. Amul states that the product is manufactured in ISO-certified facilities and undergoes numerous quality checks. Critical, up-to-date information regarding deaf healthcare safety highlights that access to sign language interpreters